Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my January BoxyCharm Premium unboxing, as well as review of the items from December's box, as well as a demo try-on of. So if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It has 3 different tiers. They have a base box, a premium box, and then a luxe box. And for this year, I am just getting the premium box. Last year I did get base and premium, but if you guys are interested in checking BoxyCharm out, I will have the link down below for you guys. It is a referral link, so I do get like some points for the BoxyCharm shop, I think it is. But if you guys are interested in seeing the items I got this month and what my thoughts are on last month's items, then just keep on watching. Alright, and I know the footage is going to be all over the place with, you know, having makeup on, then not having makeup on and whatnot, just depending on what I'm grabbing and stuff from this box than for last month's box, so I'm sorry about that, but at least you can kind of see the application of everything, so yeah. Alright, so the theme this month is Better Beauty, and then on the back is all the items and the retail value as well as a little description. So I do remember my 2 choices for this month. Other months I'm pretty much just remembering one of my choices, but the first item I didn't use yet, but the first choice item is this Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. So this is the packaging here, and I picked this because I love cleansing balms. I can never have enough. I can use them to remove my makeup, my body paints, and this is what it looks like on the inside here. So again, clearly I haven't used this yet. I will let you guys know how this is next month. Alright, so this retails for $35, and it says a cleansing butter infused with green tea and cherry blossom extract to melt away makeup and impurities while keeping the skin feeling soft and supple instead of greasy and dry. So the next choice item is this Kosas Air Brow Tinted Volumizing Treatment Gel. I have this in my brows today, and if you see the difference from the beginning of putting on my makeup of what my brows looked like before putting this on, you guys can definitely tell it added volume, made them a little fluffier. So this is what the Air Brow looks like, and the brush on this is so small, and I'm excited to keep using this. I might try it on its own without any brow pomade in before, because I did just draw on my brows, but I knew I picked this so I didn't want to do my soap brow like I normally do, and I wanted to see what kind of effect it can give my brows without doing the soap brow first, because I didn't know if I was going to be able to get this in afterwards. Alright, so this retails for $22, and it says a clean tinted moussey gel for airy feathery brows, boosted by hair care actives that condition and support full brow health. Get effortlessly fluffy, face framing brows with just the right amount of volume from biodegradable plant-based fibers, high pigment yet natural tint, and strong yet flexible hold. The custom triangular spoolie boosts and lifts each hair. Each nourishing swipe supports brows in reaching their growth potential. Alright, so next is this palette from Aether Beauty, and I've heard Batty Bean rave about Aether Beauty. I've just never picked them up, and when I saw it in the box I got really excited, and it comes with this little card. It's got a unicorn on it that's really cute. Alright, and then the back has the different phases of the moon. It says Aether Beauty in collaboration with Cosmic Collage, and it says listen to your dreams. They are orphic and penetrating and more meaningful than you can imagine. So that's really cute. This is the packaging. It is a little raised, but it's not too raised where it's going to make it hard to store, and it is just this neutral palette here with the bright pop of like pinky coral. Here it just says we've removed the mirror and magnet inside to be more sustainable, strive to make the best sustainable choices in our products. So this is a fully recyclable palette if you ever hit pan on all the shades, and it's a cute little neutral palette. The mattes built up really nicely, they blended really nicely, these shimmers are really pretty. And this light shade here I used as a face highlight as well. I'm sure if you like a bright pink blush, you can use this as a blush shade. You might be able to use this as like a bronzer shade and whatnot if you're a little bit deeper than me. I feel like it'd be a little too dark for a bronzer shade for me. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice. Would I have went out and bought this on my own? Probably not, but it's a cute palette nonetheless. And this retails for $48. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't have spent $48 on this. And it says 10 shades in ultra matte shimmer shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finishes to create gorgeously glowing looks. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder helps to improve your glow by illuminating the skin with its light reflective properties. Formulated with organic coconut oil, shea butter, prickly pear seed oil, and moringa seed oil. Duochrome? Are those the ones in the middle here? Maybe they are. I don't know. With my flashlight on, they look a little more duochrome-y. It's not as insane of a duochrome as I was thinking when it said duochrome. Alright, so next is from LYS, and it is Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. So this one I expected to be kind of like the Milk or the e.l.f. Jelly Pop, where, you know, you pump it out and it's a thicker, tacky primer. This comes out really, really liquidy, and then once you let it set, it does have a slight bit of tacky, grippy feelingness to it, but it's not so tacky that when you bounce your sponge, it feels like it's sticking to your skin and then coming off again. So I really like that. This has 5% niacinamide and AHA in it. So my skin loves niacinamide. So when I saw that on here, I was like, okay, I know I'm going to enjoy this. I think my skin looks really, really good. I've tried the foundation I have on as well a couple other times before, and I think it looks really, really good on top of this. I'm definitely gonna have to play around with this with different foundations and see how everything else applies to it, because I found this to make the foundation I'm wearing right now look the best it's looked. I know it's my first time wearing it, so I'll have to see how it lasts, and I'll keep you guys updated next month, but upon first impression, I really like this. This retails for $20, so that's not even that pricey either. It's 1 ounce. It says, this daily serum primer helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine throughout the day for a seamless complexion with or without makeup. It's packed with skincare ingredients for guilt-free beauty that feels as good as it looks. Alright, so then we have this Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Alright, so this is what the mask looks like. I haven't used it yet, so I will let you guys know next month if I've used it, what I think about it. It's a thick mask. It's not runny at all, which is nice, but this retails for $36, and it says clear and hydrate your skin at the same time with this pore refining mask. Help protect against maskne with bamboo, charcoal, and kaolin clay to help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliating polydroxyl acids for a softer, smoother complexion. And then the last thing in this box is this lip liner from Persona. It is the lip liner I have on right now. I do just have a lip gloss on top of it. This is the color here. It's like a deeper nude brown. It's not too dark, but it's not too light. This is in the shade 90210. Side note, I've never seen 90210. I couldn't even tell you what it's about, but this was really, really creamy. I really like the color, so I hope this lasts a good amount of time on the lips, and it's definitely a color that I can wear all year round, so I really like the color of this, and I'll definitely be getting some good use out of it. This retails for $14, and it says line, define, and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner. Formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for an effortless glide on application to help create the perfect canvas for long-lasting lip color. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. So the total retail value of my premium box this month was $175, and I'm really excited about all the items in this box. We got a good mix of makeup and skincare. 2 skincare items, 4 makeup-y items. I'm really happy with this box, and I really hope BoxyCharm keeps continuing with these really good boxes, especially with the price increase. Last month and this month, premium has definitely stepped it up. I really hope they keep stepping it up, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna quit rambling on about this month's items. If you guys want to see what my thoughts are from last month's items, then just keep on watching. So first thing from last month are the 2 lip liners. I did put the swatch of the Persona lip liner back on my hand here so you guys can see the color compared to these 2. So these lip liners are from EVO Beauty, and they're in the shades Val and Brooke. I used Brooke in my Elsa video, so if you want to see what it looks like on my lips, this is the lip liner I used, and it paired perfectly with the lipstick in the ColourPop Frozen 2 Elsa collection. And then the shade Val here is just a little too pink. I put it on and had to put a super nude, like brown tone nude over it because it just looked really, really pink on me. Like, it didn't look too pink on the swatch here. Well, okay, that Persona one, once it is setting, it is taking a lot of effort to just smudge it out a little bit. So you can definitely see with these two not being my go-to type of color compared to the Persona, but the formula of it's really nice. Not the biggest fan of the colors from last month, but I really like the formula, and they're gonna come in handy if I need them for body paints and stuff. So I'm still gonna keep them and use them, but they're just not my favorite color. Then we have the Stila mascara. I don't have a review for this because I didn't open it. All right, so next is the Bite Beauty Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. Again, I have the shade L20. This is a really nice foundation. It's super lightweight. It just evens out my skin tone really nicely. I can apply it with a finger, brush, sponges, and I think it looks really nice. But I think with the primer I have on today, it's the best it's ever looked on my skin. So I definitely want to keep using these two together, see how they wear throughout the day, or if it's just one of those where like it looks great from the start but then doesn't look that good. It's just nice and lightweight, just evens everything out, and it doesn't look cakey. It's really, really expensive, so I'm probably not going to repurchase it unless it goes on sale. I'm going to enjoy it while I have it. So then we have the two sponges from Elena Badro. I do enjoy both of these sponges. I mean, I don't really have a preference of which one I like more. They both work really well to blend out foundation, blend concealer under the eyes, apply powder. So I used both of them in the video today. So they're both really soft. I used this one to apply the foundation and concealer, and I used this one to apply the powder under my eyes. I don't prefer one over the other. The Viseart bronzer is a really nice bronzer as well. Again, this is what it looks like. It's what's on my cheeks. It's very lightweight. It's buildable, and it's not too dark. I can go very light with this where it doesn't look like I have barely any bronzer on, but I can build it up a little bit, but it doesn't get much darker than it is right now, which is nice that I don't go overboard with it. There are some bronzers where I barely dip into it, apply it on my face, and I'm blending it out so much, where this one, I can go in very heavy, apply it to my face, and it still doesn't get overdone. So I think the color is really good for me. I think the formula is really nice. It's blendable. It lasts all day. I really like this as well. Then we have the Biro Fig Renewal Oil. It's a nice face oil. I really am not the biggest fan of the scent of it, but it's nice and hydrating on my skin. I think it's nice. I'll get use out of it, especially for these colder months and stuff, for like a face oil. Nice and hydrating. I'm not the biggest fan of the smell of this. That's really the only downside to it. So yeah, overall, like I said, last month, really good items, even though I haven't used this yet. I'm not too picky with mascara as long as it doesn't flake all over my face. And the lip liners, even though I'm not the biggest fan of the colors for the everyday basis for me, I think they're really, really nice lip liners. Between last month and this month, I'm really, really happy with BoxyCharm. I think they've really stepped it up, and I hope they continue on this upward path of really good products compared to some of their boxes in the past. Alright guys, so that was it for my January BoxyCharm unboxing, December box review, as well as a little demo of these products. If you like seeing the demo and application while I'm talking about the items, definitely let me know down below, and I'll continue to do those for you guys versus me talking about it and then trying to apply it at the same time. I feel like at least this cuts down a little bit of the time, that it's not too long of a video. Let me know which box you guys think was better out of December and January, because I think both boxes were really, really good. I think I do like January a little bit more. If you guys get BoxyCharm, let me know down below what you got in your box, what your favorite item was, what your least favorite item was. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications. You guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!